Movies Till Dawn continue on Channel 5 with
YDO. This morning, I got all kinds of knocks on the door like this. I got knocks on the door. I thought, what the fuck? What the hell is going on, you know? And I got some more knocks. Then I realized that, well, you know what? They want to put in, they put in this door lock thing. See, Angel's Motel, there's always something going on. Always some day and night construction. They don't give a fuck.
And there really is construction going on. See, Angel's Motel is a work in progress, and as you can see, there's next door here.
There's always something going on.
There's always something going on here. But anyway, go ahead, YDO. Tell them what they did today.
All right. They see this. They give me this card lock thing. See? See, I'll show you.
All right.
See this? This is where I live. 126. See, it's a good thing. You put this in right here, okay? Put it in.
Looks like you're locked out.
Yeah, I'm fucked up. Oh, yeah. This way. Put it in like this. Green light. Come on in.
So they installed the new locks today, and
Yeah.
so let's take a look, YDO.
Come on in.
Let's cut to the video and show the installation.
Yeah, you know what? I tell you what. I'm gonna show you how it's done. Okay, I hope I'm not disturbing you, but I'm videotaping this because I like to watch all the drills and the motors. It's fun to me. Okay, so I'm just videotaping this because I think it's fun. Maybe I can do this myself at some other hotel.
Oh.
Because you already did this one.
Huh?
It looks easy. But you know how to do it, huh?
Okay.
Oh yeah. This way the cops, they won't kick in the door no more. Because they'll have like a card key. See, this is all an improvement, and see, the cops will have a key to every room, so they don't have to kick into doors no more. And you know, kicking into doors was inexpensive for the hotel owners, so they went to a card lock thing, so all the cops have their own key to the doors.